So hello everyone of Spoken English by Samav Jain. So today we all are here, all the students are here to present us a group discussion on noise pollution. So today we are here to present our topic. One by one we will start our topic. So I am initiating this topic. So my name is Ayaz Misri and I will tell you about it. So I will tell you noise pollution. And now I am starting my topic. So noise pollution is a type of pollution that we hear around us, like the sound that the car releases, and car and other vehicles releases, and other sounds that is painful and irritating. And often we face some type of problem in our home because some noisy object that makes sounds in our home. Now, Shri, you will let us to know about it.
So let's talk about a noise pollution. So noise pollution is a type of pollution in which there is a creation of unnecessary and unuseful of sounds. In the sources of noise pollution mainly the vehicles, the loudspeakers, and some construction sites also. Now I would like to give the mic to the Harsh.
So according to me, noise pollution is very harmful for our ears and for other animals, birds, etc. And the cars, bikes, and the bike name Bullet Woo and Woo make a very harmful noise, and it's very harmful. And now very silent type of bikes and car release, like battery bikes and battery scooty and cars, and it's very good for us. And there are some type of noise pollution like air pollution and noise pollution, and etc.
I'm tell you I'm tell you about what is noise pollution. Noise pollution is that like some person they make unwanted voices, and some some persons like cars is honking again and again. That's all. The noise pollution is an unpleasant and excessive voice which can lose our ear, and this can be prevented by the excessive honking from the vehicles, and the loudspeakers from the function.
Yes, I agree with all of you. And according to me, noise pollution is a pollution which is mainly caused by the vehicles and constructional works, and it causes so many types of diseases like hearing loss, high blood pressure, and even so many heart attacks are also happened because of it.
Yes, I agree with everyone, and in my opinion, noise pollution is very harmful for everyone, humans and animals also. Because by this, there are so many problems happen, as Paridi told, like loss of hear ability and also some heart attacks. And there are so many options by which we can decrease noise, extra and harmful noise. Like Harsh said that there are so many electric vehicles which doesn't produce any type of harmful noise, and it's very good for our nature and ourselves.
So I agree with everyone, and according to me, noise pollution is causing nowadays very much, because as we all know, we are play means many of the people are playing the music very loudly. They are speaking so much loudly, and also like they're making a lot of noise, but other things as well, such as a car's horn, but it do not give that much sound that a truck sound gives. So according to me, we should control them, because if they are doing this continuously, so our ear will affect this much. And the old peoples which are having many problems, such as they are having a problem of hearing, so they are also wearing a machine. But if we are already doing these kind of things, making noise pollution, so it would be not easy for them to survive in that environment.
Yes, I am agree with you. Noise pollution is very harmful because sound. But if the music sound is too loud, so it also become noise, and above 80 decibel, the noise becomes physically painful, and many health problems also occur like hearing impairment, hypertension, anxiety, lack of sleep, etc.
Yeah, nice. So now I want to ask some question to Aradhya. So, which type of disease are caused by noise pollution?
As I already told, diseases like problem in hearing. For that, old people are also wearing machines, and I don't want that, and I don't wish so that at a young age you might be having that problem, and you might be wearing that kind of machine.
Now to Manvi, I want to ask a question to you. So my question is, look, normally from where you hear noise sound?
So there are so many ways by which I can hear noise sound, like traffic sound, and also sometimes some parties and construction also happen, which produce very harmful noise, which is not good for our ears and also for animals.
And Trey, I want to ask you about some problems that are happening in our society by noise pollution.
Sometimes our society also have some problems that we create some noise pollution. Like means they are means they are not able to hear properly on, and there is having some problem in their ear also. And then sometimes societies also do not want any type of noise pollution. That's it.
So now, Hers, you will continue topic from here.
Yes, there are so many type of disease that we get from noise pollution. We get heart attack, and our ears is all our ear our it's arm our eye it's our arm our ears and 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 it's very bad for us, and the people in the people in Navratri, they they buy many types of DJ, and they take very much and they operate in very much sound, so it's harm for us.
Yes, I agree with hers that he said in Navratri there is a lot of noise, and on Diwali there is a lot of noise by the firecrackers and other.
Now, Arnav, I want to ask a question to you. So, what is the effect of noise on animals?
Some animals like birds they die, and some animals have diseases like they lost they for hearing problem and etc.
Now to Paridhi. So, tell me about some problem by noise that are caused on Diwali.
So many birds are died, and like, but they cannot they because of noise pollution, their ears are damaged, and they faces so many difficulties, but they can't tell us, so we don't know about them. And also so many dogs they lost their hearing ability and etc.
Yeah, Paridhi also said the right point. So now we are inviting some other students for the discussion. So Garv, will you tell me about some disabilities that are caused by noise pollution?
No.
Okay, so Kush, will you tell me about some diseases that are caused by noise pollution in our society?
Don't know.
Okay, you don't know. So now Tejal, will you tell me about some diseases that are caused by noise pollution?
Yeah, there are many disease which can be caused by noise pollution. Like it can harm our eardrums, and it can also have some headache in our head. If we listen so loud music, so we are having some itching in our head because the vessels and sense get vibrate. So we are feeling some kind of headache in our head.
Okay, Krishti, will you tell me about the effect of headphones that are caused on our body?
So I think that because of headphones, just like hertz are counted in the ears, so the we our hearing capacity, and also how much we can hear gets low, and we and many problems start. And just like some people always use headphones and earphones which are with wires, and they always roam and go to other places, so they use that only. So because of that, their listening capacity also gets low. So this can be a very big problem.
Okay, you Krishti said the right opinion. So as we all know about the problem that are caused by noise in our society, like so many cows and so many animals got dead because of sound and noise pollution. Now, Kush, you can continue the topic from here.
So as we know, nowadays the earbuds or earphones are using nowadays in high amount, and the people plug their headphones or earbuds in their ear, and listen music or watch videos in full volume. So the 1.2 billion people have destroyed their eardrums by these type of appliances.
So this pollution, one which that a regular noise pollution by big and that thing like headphone.
Yes, according to me, there are many examples of noise pollutions. Like many people are playing sound and other things, by which our eardrums can damage very badly, and a little later, if we not go to doctor for our eardrums, so we also we can we can also not hear. The playing sound is also illegal in India, but many people are playing sound, and the noise pollution is increasing in India day by day.
Nowadays nowadays in every occasion and parties, there will be loud noise, and there will loud noise and people enjoying, but there are some causes and disease, and there are some causes and disease in there. Loud noise are loud noise, and the ear was damaged, and in is and other example is in traffic jam. There are many vehicles, and many vehicles, and they produce many noise, horn etc.
Yes, I agree with you, and I want to ask a question to Ayush, that which is the leading country of the noise which produce higher noise pollution?
Okay, I think the leading country that gives the high noise is our India. because in our India there is a high amount of population, and so many people gives a high amount of sound. As we can also see in cricket stadium, there is about a high amount of noise, like about 123 decibels.
Yes, your answer is correct.
And now times we so many people use headphones, so that's good or bad also. Like if he use continuously like 10 to 12 hours, so sometimes earphones cracked in their blacked in their eyes, and we can also listen like 2 months ago, in earbuds blacked in a person, and in during the Ganesh Chaturthi time in our nearby areas, DJ competition are also held, and this competition a person also died because of high level of sound quality.
In marriage, in marriage there is too much loud music, and it's harmful, and I think in India there is too much noise pollution.
So I am agree with all the persons, and I also have a information that the loudspeakers in India are also banned, but then also the people are using very loud speakers also in some weddings and parties. So in processions also they are using very loudspeakers, which is causing many problems. And as he also told about the blast of earphones in a person, and also many disturbance also happens in our work, and also some problems in our ears and eardrums come.
So on the conclusion of the topic, so as we know, in our India there are a lot of sound, and we should not make a lot of sound. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel of Spoken English Summer Vision. So stay with us. That